Today we are going to see point number 4. Previously we have seen that Mendelian law related to the inheritance and the transmission of character from one generation to the another. Mendel developed a law of three law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment that helps to understand the mechanism of transmission of character from one generation to the another, due to which genetics may be considered as a Mendelian genetics. Okay, let's see the today's point, application of Mendelian genetics. Let's see which are the application. The first application of Mendelian genetics is it is a use in a different breeding advances in a rice and the other crop. That are the first application. Mendelian genetics is applicable used in a different breeding advances. With the help of a Mendelian law, we can easily understand how crosses are made to the developing a hybrid or the developing a new variety in a different crop plant. It is a mostly applicable in rice and the other commercial crops. Mendel have explained how monohybrid cross are made, dihybrid cross are made, and how individual are produced. Due to which Mendel understand how crosses are done, and that application, that knowledge or that information can also application in a breeding program. Due to which there are first application in a breeding program to developing a new variety of wheat, rice, or the any other commercial crop. Then second application, Mendel principle can be used to predict the outcome of a crosses. We have see the three law of dominance, law of segregation, law of independent assortment. With the help of we can study that. When we studying that three law, we can easily understand when cross made between the two plant, tall and the dwarf plant, we can easily predict the outcome of a crosses. When crosses are made, what become a outcome of that crosses, we can easily done. That can be understand with the help of a Mendelian genetics or the Mendelian law. It also predict the characteristic of offspring produced by parent when genetic composition are known. It also helps to predict the characteristic of offspring when genetic composition of parent will be known. If we know the parent genetic composition, we can determine offspring phenotypic character. It can easily. That also given by the Mendelian genetics or the law of Mendel's. To predict the pattern of inheritance. How pattern are inherited? That means how pattern are inherited. For example, one mother is a tall plant and the father is a dwarf plant. When crosses are made, which character comes to that offspring, it can determine with the help of Mendelian genetics, and that can be understand with the Mendelian genetics. That means pattern of inheritance. Which character is comes from the father one and which character comes from the mother one, it can determine by the Mendelian genetics. To the solve problem like inheritance, some problems having the inheritance. For example, one plant having the disease plant and the another it is a not disease. When crossing are made, but that offspring having the disease, and in such condition, problem of inheritance, some diseases are the inherited from the generation to generation. That problem can solve with the help of a Mendelian genetics. Mendelian genetics give the concept of inheritance through which I understand the transmission of a trait. Mendelian genetics give the concept of inheritance. The Mendelian three law tells that how inheritance will be take place by one generation to the another generation. That are the main motto of Mendelian genetics. That fourth, through which we can understand the transmission of trait. When we study that law, Mendelian genetics, that applicable to transmission of character from the one generation to the another generation. For example, parent one having the tall height, the daughter ones also having the tall height. That character transmitted from the parent to the daughter. It can easily understand with the help of a Mendelian genetics. Then next application, the law of Mendel, we can easily determine the combination of a progeny of hybrid and predict their frequency. Okay, When crosses are made between tall variety and the dwarf variety, we can easily determine the progeny, which type of progeny arises, which type of hybrid are formed when crosses are made between the two different variety. That can be easily determined. Then frequency we can also determine. For example, crosses are made between tall and the dwarf variety. F1 variety it produces the hybrid which also having the tall, but selfing are done for the F2 generation. With the help of checkerboard we can determine the frequency out of 16 individual or the out of 4 individual, how many will be tall and the how many will be dwarf. We can determine with the help of Mendelian genetics. Mendelian genetics give the information related the breeding that can use in a different breeding program, that production of seed and the process of a hybridization. Mendelian genetics also given the information like a breeding program. Breeding program that means how new variety are produces, how crosses are take place between the monohybrid or the dihybrid, one variety or the two variety, for the one character or the two character, that also given by the Mendels. And the most important application, hybridization. Hybridization concept arises due to crosses are made and the crosses are done by the Mendelian genetics, due to which a hybridization process we can understand, or the Mendelian genetics having the application related to the plant breeding and in a hybridization program. Prediction of a genotype and a phenotype of the next generation when parental generation are known. Prediction of a phenotype and the genotype of a progeny or the next generation when parental generation are known. When we know the parental generation phenotype and genotypes, like their phenotypes, it is they having tall character, dwarf character, that are phenotype, and genotype capital TT, small tt, that are the general. When such characters are known, we can easily determine which type of generation are come from that crosses are done between the tall and the dwarf. When only generation parent generation genotype and phenotype are known. And the another application, to know the exact genotype of strain when parental generation is unknown. To know the exact genotype of a parental generation when it is unknown. Okay, for example, we don't know about the parental generation genotype, but we have a know that offspring which are produced, through which we can easily or the exact determine which type of a parental generation having the genotype with the help of a genetics or the Mendelian genetics. There are several applications of a Mendelian genetics using the genetic experiment such as the Punnett square test, fork line method used to predict the possible genotype of a offspring. Mendelian genetics application in a different fields. For example, there are the two fields are here mentioned. First, it is a Punnett square test. Now we are called as a checkerboard, and the fork line method. It is used to the determine the frequency of a offspring produced of the parent. We when crossing made between the tall variety and the dwarf variety. In F1 individual it produce tall variety, but in F2 generation how many produces the tall and how many produces the dwarf, it can determine with the help of a Punnett square test. It is called as a checkerboard. It can done with the help of a Mendelian genetics. With the help of Mendelian genetics, understand the mechanism of inheritance, plant as well as in an animal. Inheritance. The Mendelian genetics, it is a totally based on the how inheritance does plants as well as in the animal. It can understand with the help of a Mendelian genetics. Pattern of inheritance, we can easily understand which character comes from the parent one and the Y variation occur in an offspring with the help of a Mendelian genetic. Pattern of inheritance. For example, crosses are made between two variety, tall variety and the dwarf variety, and the individual produces the tall. We can easily determine which character comes from the parent one and which character comes from the mother one. If there is a variation is come, that can be understood with the help of Mendelian genetics. Hereditary diseases with the help of Mendelian genetics. Understand hereditary diseases is responsible due to particular and the solution of such type of diseases. Mendelian genetics it is also applicable in to find out the hereditary diseases. For example, hereditary diseases. Which are the hereditary diseases? Such as some viruses are susceptible to the specific plant. Some bacteria also susceptible to the some specific plant. It is hereditary diseases. How are hereditary diseases? For example, one virus infect for the parent generation. Okay, infect for the parent generation. That virus susceptibility it is depends upon the gene. Okay, that susceptibility is depend upon the gene. If it transfer from one generation to the next generation, for example, parent to daughter, it is transmitted. In a daughter also have that type of gene. They have a susceptibility to the specific virus. That also virus infect that offspring also. In this way, we can determine which type of a gene is responsible to hereditary diseases. When we can understand hereditary diseases, how that hereditary diseases comes from the parent to the daughter one or the offspring, we can determine easily their solution with the help of a Mendelian genetics. Mendelian genetics application in improvement of crop qualitative as well as a quantitative. Mendelian genetics it is useful into improvement of a crop via breeding program. Okay, improvement as their quality as their quantity. Quality that means color, size, shape. That are the qualitative character we can improve in that crop. And the quantity that means their yield and the productivity. It can also increase with the help of a breeding program by the understanding the concept of a Mendelian genetics. In case of an animal, there is also improvement can be done. Animal health, animal productivity, their milk yielding capacity, it is also increased, and the quality and quantity is also increased with the help of a breeding advances program that can be done with the help of a Mendelian genetics. Due to Mendelian genetics, one most application of a Mendelian genetics, that is a pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis is nothing but to determine which character is associated with the dominant gene and the recessive gene. That can be understood with the help of a Mendelian genetics. Pedigree analysis. Pedigree analysis it is nothing but the which type of diseases or the which type of character comes from the parent one and comes from the mother one. Father or the mother, which character comes from father and the mother, it can determine with the help of a pedigree analysis. And pedigree analysis it is based on the application of genetics. Here are the I have listed only 16 application of Mendelian genetics, but in actual there are the more application. You can search, find in a different reference books, Google resource, we can done. Okay, this is about today's point, application of Mendelian genetics. I hope you have understand. If you have any doubts related the Mendelian application, please comment below the section. Thank you.